so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
I was just acting like a bear. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Speaking of a bear, why don't we draw a bear together? Wow, bears are so cute. They're cuddly, ooh, like a teddy bear. But bears in the wild you want to stay away from. All right, first let's draw a circle for the head. There we go. And then an oval for the body. Ooh, and then, yeah, for the nose right there. Ooh, and another circle for the eye. Ooh, and a button nose. There we go. Oh, doesn't that start to look like a bear right now? Yeah, and then for the body, ooh, and one arm right there, a leg, another leg, and the arm. Wow. Oh, can't forget about the 2 cute little ears up there. Rah. Wasn't this fun drawing a bear with me? Yeah, I love drawing with you. If you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning